Environmental Lights, we've been doing LED lighting since 2006. So for our first CEDIA show, we were really excited to get out into the world and talk to the integrators and really interface with them and share what we can do for them. Environmental Lights has tremendous expertise and background in LED lighting. So for integrators trying to enter the world of lighting, we're the ideal partner for them. Our team will work with them and help them understand what they can possibly do with lighting, how to do it, what are the right products to use. For the CEDIA show, we wanted to focus on 4 primary areas with lighting. The first being accent lighting. Accent lighting provides the wow factor for houses. So when you walk in and you see stairs that are lit, you see railings that are lit, under cabinet lighting, toe kicks, and coves. That lighting can change the feel of a room and drastically affects how people react to the project. So accent lighting is something we've been doing since we started in 2006. You can use a variety of products. Our HyperFlex product allows users to turn and bend corners with strip light and put it into shapes behind TVs, anything they need without having to cut and solder. So that provides tremendous versatility for an integrator. We also have a product called continuous LED strip light, which uses phosphor along the length of the strip to provide a nice continuous line of light. So that one's great for anywhere where you have high reflective surfaces and you're lighting things and you don't want to see the dots. And that's just 2 samples of some of the products that we do. One of the big focuses for us is just to be that expert that integrators need. So accent lighting, obviously where we start. Backlighting is another area that we've focused on and showing integrators what's possible. We don't expect them to know, so that's where our team comes in. If you have a counter that you want to backlight, we can do custom shaped panels built to size, and you literally can set materials right on that. It's highly durable and provides really an amazing look in a kitchen when you're backlighting any variety of material. And there's a lot of different ways to do it, so it's not even just panels. We have other light sheets and light bars. And again, what we wanted to make sure people know is that they don't need to know how to do it, they just need to have an idea, or we can help them and we'll say, hey, here's how you can accomplish it. There's 3 different ways you can do it. And we found tremendous positive feedback with that. 2 other areas that we're focusing on in the booth are low voltage downlighting. So our flagship for high-end homes is the REVI Downlighting product. And the key with REVI is it lets integrators break into the ceiling for lighting. Integrators are putting speakers in, they've been doing that for a long time. Well now, thanks to REVI, you can do low voltage downlighting and you can run the wires in the ceiling without having to have an electrician. REVI uses a remotely located power supply and driverless fixtures. So those driverless fixtures receive their power via low voltage. So an 18-gauge wire is what you're running through the ceiling. And that's been a big hit with integrators. We see people who are adding so much more to their projects by doing lighting, and they're winning them, and they're incredibly excited. One of the challenges, the other low voltage downlighting product we have is called ATX. ATX is similar to REVI in the sense that it's driverless fixtures, again, remotely located power supplies, but its focus is for production home builders. It gives them the ability to not run Romex everywhere and use a switch-based lighting system. So this is low voltage again, and the switches have all the technology built into them. So you can do tunable white lighting, and you can both dim and adjust the color temperature from the switches. So it uses a traditional model of wiring, and it provides really a much lower cost alternative. And that's really speaking loudly to a lot of the volume builders. The amount of time that they save and the amount of materials that they remove by not having to run Romex everywhere versus 18.2 has been a huge hit. Just people bring up is, well, how do I know how much lighting to put into this project? We actually offer a design service where our team will take a drawing of a structure and then put it into the system, render it out, and do a full fixture map. All right, how high are the ceilings? How much light do we need in this room versus that room? And they'll calculate it all out and provide a map that shows, here's your fixture map, here's where everything should go. Here's renderings. They'll do false color renderings, which will show the saturation of light in those rooms. And then literally final renderings to show how it will all look. And the nice thing about that is the integrator gets a PDF file that they can then take and present to their customer, and homeowners get blown away when they see the sophistication and the final output of that, and so it's been a slam dunk.
Great. And just the overall message and takeaway that you want dealers to leave your booth with when they get back and they're all jazzed up to get into lighting.
At the end of the day, what we're looking for dealers to remember about us is we're here to be their partner and help them win more projects with lighting. We want them to be successful, and we have the team to be there for them. So if they're not sure what products to use or how it's going to happen, our team is technically there. We'll work with them hand in hand and make sure they have the right products for the right solution and that they look like a hero and win these projects. At the end of the day, we're also there to make sure that it works smooth and they don't have any problems. Our team is always available, and what we just say is give us a call if you have an idea, a project, a challenge. We're here to help you do it.